So one of the first things we have to do here, well, maybe not the first, but one of the things we got to do here is take the alternator off. And since I got to do that, which involves removing the serpentine belt, I'm going to show you guys a trick to doing this. And it's not even really a trick, it's just the way you're supposed to do it. Just because I know when I took this in for a state inspection one time, they said that the serpentine belt needed to be replaced, and they wanted to charge me like 4 hours of labor to do it. And said they had to take all these parts off at a Firestone. So that's not even close to true. So let me show you what you got to do. So there's, down in here on the front of the block is a tab that will hold the idler pulley in place. So what you have to do is pull on the serpentine belt until you can engage the locking mechanism on the tensioner pulley down there, and that will lock the tensioner pulley in place so that it won't try to expand to take up the slack in the belt, and then you can remove the belt. It's pretty simple, so let me show you. If you look down here and you follow the pulley down, right below it, right between the pulley and the AC, is this little clip. This little clip right here. So you're going to pull on the belt until you can engage this stop. Once you engage that, it'll lock the slack into the serpentine belt, and you can take it all the way off or knock it off the alternator, whatever you got to do. And like that. Now you can take the serpentine belt off, take it all the way off if you need to, or just pop it off the alternator bracket like we're going to do in this case.